Rise doll and My Little Pony compete for the best hairstyles, dresses, and even wings. Who are you rooting for? Watch the battle of LOL Doll versus My Little Pony in our new video. Hairstyling is Dolly's specialty. She came up with this hairdo for the mermaid on her own. Color polyester stuffing with acrylic paint. Coat the hair of an old doll with the same color. Paint strands on the bangs. Define the lips. Glue the stuffing hair. Decorate the hairdo with a light clay starfish. Brush the mermaid's hair. She loves her oceanic reflection in the mirror. Now she can go on an underwater journey. The mermaid has her own terrarium, and it's very cozy. Meanwhile, Redhead is brushing the long tail and the mane of her little pony. Cut the remains of the tail and the mane off an old pony. Take out the hairs with tweezers. Cut off a strand of synthetic hair. Glue one end of it and stick it in. Braid the other strand and hot glue it to be a mane. Cut off the bangs and style them with hairspray. The pony looks marvelous with this gorgeous hairdo. The girls did a great job and styled hair like professionals. Redhead sees a beautiful dress in a magazine and suggests making the same one for Pony Doll. The doll agrees right away. She loves fashion and keeping up with trends. Cut an oval out of golden stretchy fabric. Cut the same oval out of tulle. Fold the pieces in half and cut out a hole in the center for the waist. Make the top out of a strip of golden fabric that is 1 to 3 inches in size. Cut out armholes. Attach Velcro and sew the shoulders. Decorate the top with artificial flowers and the skirt with a bow. Lady Pony turns into a real style icon. The dress makes her look so romantic. She is ready for a fashion photo shoot. A tiny LOL runs in. She wants a new dress too. Redhead quickly picks out an outfit for her from a fashion magazine. Trace the LOL's body on paper. Add allowances for sewing. Draw a jumpsuit cutout. Cut the pieces out of glittering fabric. Make a cut on the front piece. Sew the pieces together from the inside. Turn it right side out. Decorate the jumpsuit with a plastic bow. Add polka dots on it with acrylic paint. Wow! This teeny LOL shines like a disco ball in her new jumpsuit. She was born for parties. Redhead and Dolly could easily start a doll fashion house. Redhead arranges a fashion show for LOL dolls. Welcome to the Pony Show! The first model is our very hungry pony. Watch out! Don't eat all of our decorations! The next contestant is Graceful Lady Pony. Just look at how elegant she is. All of a sudden, somebody's legs and head appear from behind the curtain. What kind of nightmare is this? Cover your eyes, baby LOL! But a beautiful girl pony appears. She is made out of 2 broken toys, and she looks gorgeous. Don't throw away a doll with broken legs. Stick it into the body of a pony without a head. Hot glue it. Embellish the centaur with decorative leaves and flowers. Coat the hooves with white glue and sprinkle them with glitter. Add a decorative heart. Redhead made a charming centaur. Even broken toys deserve a second chance. And now it's Dolly's turn. Can you pull off a broken toy makeover? Dolly quickly comes up with a trick. She makes an awesome pencil decoration out of a broken LOL. Put the head of a broken LOL doll onto a pencil. If it's not tight, sharpen the pencil. Decorate the hair with bows. Now this LOL will decorate school supplies. This little pony is getting ready for a photo shoot. Let's brush her hair in the mirror. Style it with a hairdryer. All done! And don't forget about accessories for a funny photo shoot. Cut a little mask, lips, mustache, and a hat out of thin colored cardboard. Hot glue the pieces to toothpicks. Pony is trying on the red lips, the hat, and the mask. Adorable! Baby LOL is also getting ready at her vanity table. In order to become irresistible, she applies eyeshadow from her miniature palette. Glue Lego tiles onto a cardboard base. Shape a square. Cut off the excess. Pick out a lid of a matching size. Tape the pieces together on one side. Coat the box with acrylic primer and cover it with golden acrylic paint on top. Glue a half bead as a lock. Scrape powder off pastels and put it into the cells. Add rubbing alcohol, compact the eyeshadow, clean the palette with a Q-tip. Dolly defines her emerald eyes. Now her makeup shines brighter than the camera flash. The girls are playing with their doll pets, but something is missing here. Let's add accessories. Redhead makes a stylish choker for her pony. Cut 3 suede cords. Join them with ribbon clamps. Attach a lobster clasp. Cut the excess off an old stud earring. And glue the pendant to the center of the choker. A new accessory awaits baby pony. Take this boring ribbon away. Put on the stylish choker. There you go! Now it's more than just a pony. It's a beautiful fashionista. Do you like it, Dolly? But Dolly is thinking about something else. Her LOL cat is sitting in an ugly basket. She needs to fix it. Draw an oval basket bottom on cardboard. Cut the next layer out of a foam rubber sheet. Hot glue the 2 pieces together. Hot glue toothpick halves around the perimeter. Weave half of the frame with yarn. Hot glue a string of sequins and weave the rest of the basket. Hot glue the end of the yarn. Decorate the tops of the toothpicks with beads. Cover the bottom border with a string of sequins. Now the LOL cat lives in its own sparkling and soft basket. A fashionable event is taking place in the dolls' world. We announce the pageant, only for ponies. The first contestant is a dark horse. It covers up with a long mane. What's it hiding underneath? The pony flicks away the mane and shows everyone its exquisite body art. Draw stars and hearts on masking tape. Cut them out and attach them to pony's legs. Color them with acrylic paint on top and sprinkle with glitter. Carefully remove the tape. This beautiful body art emphasizes the pony's tender hooves and delicate horn. Another little contestant is hurrying to the pony pageant. It's an LOL doll, but she really wants to become an actual little pony. Cut off the LOL doll's bow and take off the dress. Roll out polymer clay and completely cover the doll's body with it. Cut it out, shaping a jumpsuit. Make a hood from polymer clay on top. Smooth out the seams with your fingers. Adjust the shape with a modeling tool. Cut an oval from white clay. Attach it to the belly. Attach strips of white clay to the cuffs and the bottom of the pants. Make thin rolls of rainbow-colored clay. Attach a mane with bangs and a unicorn tail. Shape triangular ears and attach them to the hood. Bake the clay according to the instructions on the package. Put on golden shoes. The LOL doll knew that this pageant is for ponies only. That's why she prepared a special costume. She hopes that no one will figure out that she's not a pony at all. Both contestants have reached the final, and they both celebrate the victory. Dolly flies into the room on beautiful wings. Why did she turn into a butterfly? She wants to keep up with her LOL doll, who also has new wings. Draw a template of a wing on paper. Fold the sheet in half and trace the other identical wing with a pencil. Draw the pattern inside. Put clear plastic onto the template. Trace the drawing with golden outliner. Color the wings with acrylic paints. Add details with an outliner. Cut out the wings. Decorate them with rhinestones. Make a loop from elastic cord. Hot glue it to a piece of felt. Attach the straps to the wings. These miniature wings are so shiny. Baby LOL looks like an elf. Pony doll will also have wings. Dolly prepared soft feathers for her. Draw a template of wings on paper. Bend wire following the outline. Hot glue it to felt. Cut off the excess fabric and wrap the wire in felt. Attach colored feathers to the wings. Decorate them with half beads. Hot glue elastic cord straps. The pony looks like an angel with these wings. The dolls fly up to the sky. Fluttering among the clouds is so much fun. And if the dolls get tired, they can relax on a fluffy cloud. Did you like our doll challenge? Then write in the comments which dolls you liked more, LOL Surprise or My Little Pony. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new doll hacks on Troom Troom.